how to build good habits and break our bad ones to live our best lives. Here are 5 key lessons from the book Atomic Habit. Number 1, small habits leads to big changes. If you get 1% better each day, you will get 37 times better by end of the year. Habits are compound interest of self improvement. Number 2, if you want to better result, focus on the system, not on the goals. Goals are about the result you want to achieve, but the system are about the process that will get you those results. Number 3, if you want to change your habit, focus on who you want to be rather than what you want to achieve. When a habit comes from who we are far motivated to actually get what we want. Number 4, follow the 4 laws of behavior change. Make it obvious, make it attractive, make it easy, and make it satisfying. And number 5, be patient to see meaningful results.